El ciclista americano Lance Armstrong sancionó para vida y sin su 7 títulos de Tour de France está acusado el expresidente de Unión de Ciclistas Internacional, el holandés Hein Verbrugge, que esconde su prueba de dopaje. Mi nota va a esconder nada para ningún gente mirando con nada de trama. Mi trabajo va a Tour. Armstrong avisa. Bom, está aqui com nós esconde de dopaje, Armstrong. E seleção de cricket de Aruba está saindo para St. Martin. Semana aqui. A forma seleção de cricket mirando a prestação de cada jogador durante o campeonato que acaba de terminar. A seleção vai estar na uniforme com Nalo Lucy na St. Martin.
The selection was made based on the last national championship we had about 3 months ago. So from the 4 teams, we picked the best players. So we made a selection to go.
You all had a lot of weeks behind practicing?
Yes, all these couple of weeks we were practicing very hard. And you know, we're in the final stage of the training, and next week we're going to still do a couple more days training until we're ready to go to St. Martin.
But who are you all going to play against in St. Martin?
Okay, we have 3 different teams. We're going to play on the 19 team first. We're going to play the over 35 team, and on Sunday we'll play a national team. Yeah.
You all prepare ready, good for them because over there they like cricket, no?
Yeah, I know they're very good. I heard, but you know, we have to go with a positive mind and with the intention to come back with something good.
After the championship, the last championship, you see that the cricket is getting, the level is getting higher here in the island?
Yes, we have a lot of good players, and we hope for the next coming years it will be better. Yeah.
One thing, we need a special field for cricket alone, huh?
Exactly, and we're striving for that also.
You're working on that?
Yeah, we're working on that also. Yes. Hopefully in the next couple of years we should be able to have that done, yes.
You all busy with ASU to try to help you all of how, yeah?
Yes, we have ASU helping us very well, Subsidy Committee helping us very well. We have a couple of sponsors also helping us out. So hopefully it's looking positive.